CTS panels, short for cut-to-size panels, are often used to cover larger exposed areas, such as end panels and islands, for a professional-looking result. After removing existing fronts and hardware, your next step should be to set any CTS panels to allow the wood glue time to dry while you complete the remaining prep work. Wood glue adheres best to a rough surface, so begin by sanding any cabinet surfaces that will be receiving CTS panels. If there is an overhang on the edge of the cabinet, apply filler strips as an underlayment so the CTS panels are flush with the edge of the face frame. Use any 1/4-inch thickness filler material cut into 2 or 2.5-inch strips. You can even reuse the dunnage from your front and center palletized shipment. Use wood glue to adhere the filler strips to the cabinet. Apply contact adhesive to the cabinet box or filler strips if using. Then apply wood glue to the edge of the face frame where the CTS panel bonds to it. Place the CTS panel flush with the back and the bottom edges of the cabinet. The panel should extend at least 1/4 inch beyond the front of the cabinet at this point. Use 18-gauge finish nails along the back of the panel. Clamp along the front of the face frame to secure the CTS panel. If you have enough clamps, you can complete this process without interruption throughout the entire kitchen. Otherwise, work in stages, allowing the wood glue to set for at least 20 minutes before removing the clamps. After the wood glue is dry, use a flush trim bit to route the CTS panel flush to the face of the cabinet. Any small gaps between the CTS panel and the edge of the face frame will need to be filled as you finish prepping the cabinet surfaces.